These viral AI luxury car wrapping videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. Take a look at this Instagram account. It has just started and already pulled in more than 14,000 followers. Just by posting these luxury car wrapping videos and pulling an insane number of views. And now watch what I had created with free AI tools in less than 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now come to Designated Vehicle and Material section in the prompt. Here you can type which car you want to be wrapped with which type of material and its color. For this tutorial, I am going with a BMW M4 covered with liquid chrome of mirror silver color. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your BMW wrapping video. And here it is. Now let's watch the full result together. You can create endless variations using this with any car you like. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.